Ever seen a fruit that looks like a perfect star? Say hello to Starfruit, also known as Carambola, the bright star of tropical nutrition. But beyond its dazzling look, this fruit carries some serious health powers and a few hidden warnings you definitely need to know about. Let's dive in. First off, what makes Starfruit so special? When you slice it, it reveals a gorgeous five-pointed star shape. It ripens into a bright yellow, sometimes with a greenish tint. As for taste, imagine a flavor somewhere between apple, grape, and citrus. Sweet when ripe, a little tart when it's not. You can enjoy it raw, juice it, toss it into salads, or even use it as a beautiful garnish. It's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Now let's talk nutrition. In just a 100-gram serving, Starfruit packs about 31 calories, 34 milligrams of vitamin C, that's over half your daily needs, 2.8 grams of fiber, a healthy dose of potassium, magnesium, and a boost of powerful antioxidants like quercetin and garlic acid. Pretty amazing for such a small fruit, right? So what can Starfruit do for you? Well, plenty. It boosts your immune system thanks to all that vitamin C. It aids digestion. The fiber keeps things moving smoothly. It supports heart health, regulating blood pressure and fighting off heart diseases with antioxidants. It helps with weight management, low in calories, high in fiber, meaning you stay fuller longer. It's loaded with antioxidants to fight inflammation and slow aging. And yes, it promotes healthy, youthful looking skin by helping your body make collagen. Starfruit isn't just pretty, it's powerful. But there is a flip side. For some people, starfruits can be dangerous. If you have kidney disease, the oxalates and a neurotoxin called carambola can build up in your body. This can lead to hiccups, confusion, seizures, and in several cases, even death. Starfruit can also mess with medication, just like grapefruit. It can block your certain enzymes, affecting drugs like statins, anti-anxiety meds, and blood pressure medications. And though it's rare, some people may be allergic, causing itching, swelling, or irritation. Bottom line, it's not for everyone. So who should steer clear of star fruit? People with chronic disease. Anyone taking sensitive medication, always check with your doctor, and even infants and very young kids because their kidneys are still developing. If you are healthy and good to go, here is how to enjoy it safely. Always choose ripe star fruit. It's sweeter and less acidic. Stay hydrated. Water helps flush out any oxalates. And again, if you have any medical conditions or you are on medications, talk to your doctor first. So there you have it. Starfruit, a vibrant, nutrient-rich powerhouse that's a stellar addition to your diet, but only if it's the right match for you. For most people, it's a tasty, healthy treat that brings a little tropical magic to the table. Just remember, even stars have their shadows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and nutrition tips. See you in the next one. Bye.